that you have done really in the past few years, and what have really been your challenges? Because I know you guys have had challenges. The pandemic caught all of us unawares and all of that. And some, I don't know if you've really, tell me how you've recovered, if indeed you have recovered.
Okay, thank you for that question. Of course, I'll be biased, but I also try to be objective. Okay?
I hope so.
Okay. I would use a few figures. So you said 3 years. Going back 3 years, we had the what we call the collective investment scheme. So that's a mutual fund market. 3 years ago, the market was about the size of, say, 500 million. Today, it is 1.5 billion.
Naira or dollars?
Naira.
Okay.
Naira. It is 1.5 billion. So it has tripled in the past 3 years.
So people are more interested in alternative investment? Like
no, not alternative investment, mutual funds.
Mutual fund, that's the CI, collective investment?
The collective investment schemes.
So people are investing more in mutual funds?
Yes, because we've gone out, we've been educating people. This is a way to build wealth. You know, the problem we had in 2008 was when people who didn't know how to pick stocks would just call their broker and say, buy this stock, buy that stock. Yeah. And then when the stock goes down, they blame the capital market. Yeah. But now we're encouraging people to come into the market through the funds. You have funds that cover equities, cover fixed income, money markets, and all that. So that's one segment of the market. The other segment of the market is the commodities part of the market. 3 years ago, we had just very little activity. So that segment of the market has been growing at least 500% every year in the past 3 years, the commodities part of the market. So where you have agricultural commodities, where you have minerals and things like that. We are positioning that market to be able to sell our minerals. We are beginning to see very good news from our solid minerals like lithium and all that. We are thinking that these things should be sold on our markets. So we are developing that segment of the market.
Okay, sorry to butt in because of what you said, the commodities market. Is the Securities and Exchange Commission working with the Central Bank of Nigeria on this? Because I also know that there was a time that the CBN governor did talk about creating a vibrant commodity exchange.
Yes, okay, I was going to say that. Okay. So the CBN is or has started to revamp the Nigerian Commodities Exchange. It's just one of the exchanges we have. Okay. Yeah. We have 7 commodities exchanges, and NCX is one of them. So CBN owns that. CBN has put in money there, is doing a lot to bring it up to standard. But apart from that one, we have other private exchanges, and they are all working towards the same goal, which is we cannot say that we want to grow the agricultural part of our economy if we don't have a market to support it. And that's what we are doing. That market is growing in leaps and bounds. So that's another achievement.